Can you tell the camera where we're at, where we live now? Are we in England?
No, we live in England.
Do we still live in England? Where do we live?
I live in house in White England. I go in England.
You like England?
Oh, Mommy, I like America. I want England.
You want England? England, that's where you were born, huh?
Yeah, please.
Yeah?
I
You
want
don't like America? Where does Grandma, Grandma, and Grandpa live? Where do your grandparents live?
In my grandma's house.
Yes, but what state do they live in? Do they live in Virginia? Good morning, Princess
Hey!
Laura.
Get out!
Be nice.
Yeah, be nice.
It's Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas to your sister?
Merry Christmas. I'm for you.
Carlos, come and sit over here. Let's help her, Carlos. Let's help her.
Alright.
Carlos.
Maybe eating Christmas snacks. Mommy.
Hold on, Lauren.